What's up, guys? So if you remember my last video, we were out here, we were spraying PGR and Feature 600 iron supplement. It was early in the morning, there was dew on the ground. I noticed some signs of dollar spot. There were some little spots of mycelium on the ground in the dew. So we're going to treat that today. The first thing we're going to apply is a liquid propiconazole product. We're going to spray that. The second product is a granular azoxystrobin product. You can buy a liquid azoxystrobin product, but this Scott's Disease X I picked up on Amazon at a good price, so we're going to apply that. Those two active ingredients I think are also found in Headway, so that's an option too. So that's what we're going to apply. Hopefully get a head start on this dollar spot and get it knocked out before it gets out of control. So let's go get started. All right, folks, so that's all for today. These are systemic products, so we're going to get the sprinklers fired up, water this stuff in real good, and like I said, hopefully get ahead of this dollar spot before it causes some serious issues. That's all I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.